Are you ready to take control of your health and well being and make a positive impact on the planet? If so, it's time to download our free 7-day vegan meal plan ebook. Whether you're looking to improve your diet, increase your energy, or simply explore new flavors, this ebook is designed to help you on your plant based journey. This meal plan offers you a simple and delicious way to enjoy the many benefits of a vegan lifestyle. It's packed with easy to follow recipes that are perfect for anyone, whether you're new to vegan eating or you've been plant based for years. We've designed the plan to be versatile, affordable, and most importantly, enjoyable for you and your family. Let's talk about why choosing a vegan diet is such a powerful decision. A vegan diet isn't just about what you eat, it's a holistic approach to living a healthier and more sustainable life. By focusing on whole plant-based foods, you are fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Vegan meals are naturally rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, all of which support optimal health. One of the key benefits of a vegan diet is the impact it has on your heart health. Vegan diets are typically lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, which are two major contributors to heart disease. Instead, plant-based foods like leafy greens, beans, nuts, and seeds provide healthy fats and nutrients that help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and keep your heart strong. Numerous studies show that plant-based diets are linked to a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. So, by adopting a vegan diet, you're making an investment in your long-term health. Another important benefit is improved digestion. Because plant-based foods are high in fiber, they promote healthy digestion and gut health. Fiber helps move food through the digestive system, keeps you feeling full longer, and can even help lower the risk of digestive conditions like constipation, bloating, and even colorectal cancer. Fiber is also essential for maintaining a healthy weight as it helps control hunger and cravings by keeping you satisfied without overeating. Eating a plant-based diet is also a great way to support weight loss and weight management. If you've been trying to lose a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight, the high fiber content in vegan foods can help. Vegan meals tend to be naturally lower in calories but still very filling, which means you can eat satisfying portions without overdoing it on calories. Plus, plant-based foods are nutrient-dense, meaning they provide a wealth of vitamins and minerals without a lot of empty calories. But the benefits of a vegan diet extend beyond your personal health. Adopting a vegan lifestyle is also an incredibly impactful choice for the environment. The production of plant-based foods has a much smaller carbon footprint compared to animal agriculture. Animal farming is one of the leading causes of deforestation, water pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. By choosing to eat plant-based meals, you are making a difference by reducing the demand for animal products and helping to protect our planet. Even small changes in your diet can have a meaningful effect on the environment. And let's not forget about the ethical side of eating vegan. Choosing plant-based meals is a way to reduce the suffering of animals in factory farming. Vegan eating supports a more compassionate world where animals are not exploited for food production. If you care about animal welfare, eating a vegan diet is one of the most powerful choices you can make. Now, let's talk about the 7-day vegan meal plan itself. We've designed it with you in mind, whether you're cooking for one, your family, or meal prepping for the week ahead. It's full of fresh, flavorful, and easy-to-make meals that will keep you satisfied and energized all week long. From delicious breakfasts like smoothie bowls and chia pudding to hearty lunches like grain bowls and vibrant salads, the meals are balanced, filling, and packed with nutrition. And for dinner, you'll enjoy tasty dishes like veggie stir-fries, hearty soups, and satisfying pasta dishes. Plus, we've included healthy snacks and desserts to satisfy your cravings. Each recipe is designed to be simple and quick, so you can prepare a week's worth of meals without spending hours in the kitchen. We've also included helpful meal prep tips, making it easy to get everything ready for the week ahead. With our ebook, you'll never have to worry about what to cook or how to stick to your new vegan lifestyle. Everything is planned for you. One of the best things about this meal plan is how versatile it is. You can swap ingredients based on your preferences or what's in season, and you don't need any special or expensive ingredients to make these meals. Click on link in the description to download your free ebook today.